Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to remove then reinstall the Microsoft Edge if it's not working properly on your Windows 11 computer guys. Let's jump straight into it. Go to search menu and type installed apps. Opens up installed apps. Open it. Type here Edge EDGE. Opens up Microsoft Edge. Select three dot icon over here and select modify option over here. Select as. Now, repairing Microsoft Edge requires an internet connection and will reinstall the browser. Your browser data and settings won't it be affected. Select the repair option, and now the Microsoft Edge will download and reinstall it, guys. Now the Microsoft Edge is installing. Download and finish. The computer has a more recent version of Microsoft Edge. If the software is not working, please uninstall Microsoft Edge and try again. Close out of here, guys. I recently repaired it, guys. That's why I'm getting this. But you should good to go, guys. Your problem has been resolved at this point. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope this tutorial will definitely helpful, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.